The McMichaels told police they were attempting to make a citizen's arrest. News 3 is on your side tonight with a look at Georgia's laws. WSAV News 3's Ricardo Lewis spoke to a local attorney and explains when and where it can be enforced.
Georgia citizens arrest laws allows people to arrest anyone they see committing a crime, but attorneys around the state say that wasn't the case in Ahmaud Arbery's death.
It's dumbfounding.
That's how attorney Charles Bowen feels about a video showing the confrontation between Travis and Gregory McMichael and Ahmaud Arbery.
Certainly when that video was released, my initial thought as an attorney was these people will be in custody within a matter of hours.
The McMichaels argued they believed Arbery fit the description of a suspect in a recent string of burglaries.
Hopping in a truck and chasing after someone screaming, "I want to talk to you," block after block, that is not a citizen's arrest.
Atlanta attorney Chris Sword is one of the lawyers representing the victim's family. He says these men abused citizens' arrest because they didn't see Arbery committing a crime.
If you're in the grocery store and the guy walks in and robs the place and turns his back to you and you tackle him and hold him down, not shoot him, you hold him down until the police get there, that's a citizen's arrest.
Citizens arrest law in Georgia does exist, but it is extremely rare that it's ever put into practice.
Bowen says citizens arrest was created to allow retailers to detain someone they believe is shoplifting. That's why attorneys say this defense will not stand in court.
What courts have interpreted it to mean is that you can only use the amount of force that's reasonable to detain a person under the circumstances.
While the investigation into Arbery's death remains active, experts all agree that it's time to reevaluate what the citizen's arrest looks like moving forward. Reporting in Savannah, Ricardo Lewis, WSAV News 3 on your side.